And here is the Vegan's Almanac for today, the 10th of August, 2025. August 10th is World Lion Day. A lion's body is muscular with a short round head and ears and a tufty tail. Males can be identified through their heavy and luscious manes, which are absent on lionesses. Lions also happen to be the only cats who roam around in large groups, known as prides. Scientists believe that lions do so because it is easier to catch prey in the wild. You will most likely find a pride of lions near water bodies, as they strategically wait for prey to come for a drink and then pounce on them. African lions are found primarily in sub-Saharan Africa. They most commonly live in open savannas, but also occupy grasslands and woodlands. They are a highly social animal, with prides ranging from a few dozen lions to upwards of 40. Despite their position atop the food chain and the imposing role prides play in their habitats, African lions are considered vulnerable by the IUCN. Some parts of Africa go a step further and consider the animal critically endangered because of their still declining populations, with an estimated 20,000 remaining African lions on Earth today. Even more rare than African lions, Asiatic lions can only be found in India. The subspecies is confined to a small region in the Gir National Park. Asiatic lions are less social than African lions. Their prides tend to be smaller, numbering as few as 10 lions. In contrast to African lions, where a single male typically dominates the pride, Asiatic lions have 2 to 3 dominant females that mate with multiple males. Asiatic lions are an endangered species. The IUCN Red List places them among the most at-risk species on Earth. Population estimates range from 600 to 700 Asian lions on the entire planet. This population remains under pressure from poaching and habitat loss. While the African lion is better known, larger, and has a larger population, their population is similarly threatened. Even the apex predator of Africa is no match for habitat loss and poaching. The Big Cat Initiative's main goal is to protect and preserve the remaining lion species in the world. August 10th is Melon Day. On this day, we celebrate not only our beloved watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew, but also some of the many perhaps less familiar melons: the gack melon, mouse melon, Armenian cucumber, autumn sweet melon, ambrosia melon, crane melon, Santa Claus melon, canary melon, snap melon, Persian melon, cassava melon, and the winter melon are just a few to try today. Whoever said the plant-based diet is restrictive? The publication of Fighting Nature, Traveling Menageries, Animal Acts, and War Shows by Peta Tait was on this day in 2016. Throughout the 19th century, animals were integrated into staged scenarios of confrontation, ranging from lion acts in small cages to large-scale reenactments of war. Initially presenting a handful of exotic animals, traveling menageries grew to contain multiple species in their thousands. These 19th century menageries entrenched beliefs about the human right to exploit nature through warlike practices against other animal species. Apart from reflecting human capacity for fighting and aggression and the belief in human dominance over nature, these animal performances also echoed cultural fascination with conflict, war, and colonial expansion. And here's a poem for today, The Lion Going to War by Jean de La Fontaine. The lion had an enterprise in hand, held a war council, sent his provost marshal, and gave the animals a call impartial, each in his way to serve his high command. The elephant should carry on his back the tools of war, the mighty public pack, and fight in elephantine way and form. The bear should hold himself prepared to storm. The fox all secret stratagems should fix. The monkey should amuse the foe by tricks. Dismiss, said one, the blockhead asses and hares, too cowardly and fleet. No, said the king, I use all classes. Without their aid my force were incomplete. The ass shall be our trumpeter to scare our enemy, and then the nimble hare our royal bulletins shall homeward bear. A monarch provident and wise will hold his subjects of all consequence and know in each what talent lies. There's no one useless to a leader with sense. The Lion Going to War. The Lion Going to War by Jean de La Fontaine. This has been the Vegan's Almanac with the reminder to love lions and eat melons.